Hello students, today we discuss the geography 5th chapter, industries. In this chapter we discuss meaning of manufacturing, classification of industries, factors affecting the location of industries and industrial region of India and the world. At first, manufacturing. Manufacturing refers to the conversion of raw materials into article of utility. For example, conversion of iron into tools and implement, cotton into cotton textile, gold into gold jewelry, and wood pulp into paper manufacturing. Means that raw material to final finished product. In manufacturing, products raw material are converted into final and finished product. All these processes fall under the secondary occupation. And industry is an economic activity that deal with large scale production of goods with the help of machine and various other services. Example are automobile industry, extraction of crude oil that's occurred from the layer of earth, and the hospitality industry are few examples. Manufacturing industries convert raw material into valuable goods and thus add value of the product. And it contributes to eradication of the poverty. Poverty को उन्मूल करने में, खत्म करने में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज का काफ़ी योगदान है. एंड एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग गुड्स अर्न वैल्यूएबल फॉरेन एक्सचेंज. इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ए कंट्री. Classification of industry. First, on the basis of raw material, on the basis of size, on the basis of ownership. On the basis of raw material, this is divided into agro-based, agriculture-based, mineral-based, forest-based, and marine-based. Agro-based industries, agriculture raw material like cotton, textile, sugar industry, vegetable oil industry, etc. Mineral based like iron and steel factories, cement factories. Forest based like furniture, pharmaceuticals and construction. Marine based like seafood, fish oil, or manufacturing of jewelry from pearls and other precious stone. मोती से बने हुए बहुत सारे सामान. समुद्र के तट पे आपने देखा होगा शंख, और उससे जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होने के बाद जो प्रोडक्ट बनेगा फाइनल, इस तरह का काम मैराइन इंडस्ट्री. शुगर मिल, ए एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री. इंडस्ट्री ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ साइज, large scale and small scale. Large scale industries use extensive raw material capital of more than 1 crore rupees, labor and power to produce goods on a large scale, while small scale industries consume less raw materials, labor, power and a capital of less than 1 crore rupees to produce goods on a small scale. Iron and steel industries are and automobiles industry are example of large scale, while manufacture of silk, textile and food processing comes in a small scale. On the basis of ownership, private, public, joint and cooperative. First, discuss public sector industries are run by state government or central government. Examples of Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Steel Authority of India. Joint sector, in which state government or individual person group or group of individual, both. The iron and steel industries at Bhilai, Bokaro, Maruti Udyog Limited, these are comes in joint sector, while private sector industries are run by the individual or individuals like Reliance, Tisco. Cooperative sector industries run by cooperative society or by the producer of supplier of the raw material worker by both. Dairy cooperatives, for example, in Bihar, Sudha is a very big milk related other products provide in Bihar, while in other like other income that's come in dairy cooperatives are like Mother Dairy, these are comes in cooperative sectors. Factors affecting the location of industry, where market, power, raw material, land, technology, labor, communication are present, that side are suitable for industry. Like Tisco, Tata and Iron Steel Company Limited, stable in Jamshedpur, bank of Suvarn Rekha river, and also provide the huge labor and suitable environment, raw material, communication, and that's why the Tisco developed in 1907, and where industrialization leads to urbanization and industrial system, there are three things involved, namely input, process and output. Some of the inputs are raw material, power, capital, labor, technology and other infrastructure. The output refers to finished product and the income derived from it. For example, iron and steel industry, the input and iron, coal, limestone, manganese, labor, capital and cost of transportation. The process include smelting, rolling, shaping and modeling. The output is steel product, very valuable. Industries region in the world. World industry region is Great Lake Industrial Region of North America, Rorschach Industrial Region of Europe, London Industrial Region, Ural Ukraine Industrial Region of Russia, Sydney Industrial Region of Australia. In next video we discuss about industrial region of India. Okay, thank you very much.